Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be doing the number 74 in the build and decorate your dollhouse. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like building this dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to check out the description down below. I have the links to all of my social media, my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, linked all down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 74. If you would like to see the previous 73, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And guys, as we move on down, we see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And this collection is from editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing those, guys, make sure to check out the playlist located in my channel. And well, let's continue on. And here guys, it talks about a miniature Japanese, I guess you would say like a miniature kiosk that would sell like little bits and bobs of everything. Or like a old era, I guess you would say like convenience store for the people in the US. This collection really is great because it not only talks about England during the Victorian age, but it talks about all of the different parts of the world, which is pretty cool, which really honestly was not what I expected. I expected it to be centered mainly in the UK. But well, here it teaches you how to put the wallpaper for the kitchen, as well as these two wooden pieces that we got in this number. So it walks you through of how to do that. And guys, as I always say in this collection, once we have the entire, and I mean the entire collection, guys, I will walk you through how to do each one of these projects, and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to stay tuned and make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. I'm having just a bit of problems opening the magazine. That's the thing with this collection, whereas it's really nice paper. For some reason, like when you go to turn the pages, most of the time it's pretty difficult. I guess maybe they rushed the printing or something, but the pages sometimes are a bit stuck together. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here in the back we just have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course guys, as I said before, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so first up, it's time to check out our new wooden pieces. It has these little, it has this little engraving thing here. I don't know how else to call it, which you can see there, which we will glue to the other part of the dollhouse. And it's flat on all of the other sides. And well guys, let's check out the other wooden piece that we got. I just want to quickly show you that this wooden piece is just like the other one. And okay guys, now it's time to check out our new little candlestick, which we can see there. But well, let's open this up. It's just in this little Ziploc. Let me put that to the side. It looks really cool. It just has this plastic candle up here, and this is like a very solid metal piece here. There you can see the underside. And it really has like a nice weight to it, I can tell you that. It would have been maybe nice to have a candle wick up at the top, but other than that, I really think that it's really a great little addition to the dollhouse. But well, tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you guys.
And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, of course, I will have down in the description below the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I share a wide range of different things on there, not only the videos that get posted on this channel, so make sure to go ahead and follow me on there. I look forward to seeing you guys. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.